This is the garage area of the property where we've installed the system. We've been outside that door just now, and behind this wall we've got the cellar area. This wall was solidly built into that corner, and we've decided to make a hole through this wall to get into the cellar area, which was not accessible before. And the design belongs to the owner himself. He decided that's what he wanted, and I think it's a very good idea of making a hexagon hole of approximately 2 meters by 2 meters, and that allowed us to slide the water tanks through the hole on the horizontal, so it actually went in fitting nicely through this. Once that has been done, we've excavated the area a little bit just to level the swells and to install the water tanks. We've got 4 5,000 litre tanks in this area, allowing us to store roughly about 20,000 litres of water, which is more than a month's usage. The tanks have been individually connected with the suction line, which is the blue line here. The tanks are sitting on top of a DPC just to prevent any moisture in this area. And then we've got various things happening here. Firstly, we can connect from the outside, where we're coming from the submersible line, which is the second one on the right, which is that one there. It's a 32 mil low density polyethylene pipe that's coming from the submersible pump. This comes up and it puts the water in at the top there. At the same time, I don't know if we can see it, there's a little sonar monitor that signals the level of the tank. Each of these tanks, like I mentioned, is operated individually by a valve, which is that one there, or you can run all of these tanks at the same time. You can fill it, you just open all the valves that's at the bottom, and you've got the tanks leveling up via equalization at the same level, and the tank monitor or gauge will indicate the level of all 4 tanks, or just the individual tank, which is the main tank, first tank. System, if the system is full, we have an overflow on the second tank, and that overflow is a 40 millimeter LDPE pipe, which goes out that wall and back into the gully. And then the small pipe, which is a 20 millimeter HDPE, high density polyethylene pipe. This pipe is connected to the mains, the municipal mains, which supplies the last tank via a stainless steel ball valve. We've installed it at approximately 15%, so you will always have a 15% level from the municipality on the water, so there's no chance of running the system dry. So basically we've got the municipal water coming in on that tank, on the last tank. We've got the third tank, which is just a standby. We've got the second tank, which acts as the overflow, and the first tank, which is the main receiving tank of the Cipher water. And all of this is connected to the blue irrigation pipe that runs back to the suction pump. And we'll go to the pump area and I'll show you what is happening there.